morning. Good morning. Good morning. Please take your seats. Okay, they have put me sit up. Okay. I know. A lot of people have danced. You can cool down. You can put your diesel engine into the rest for some time. Take time. Take time. Navi Kishore, now the star dancer always. So I saw a lot of people. So do you want time to cool down? After amazing performance? No. Bhai, engine is heat now. Start telling what do you want to tell. We are ready to take it. Correct? So do you feel good after dancing? Do you feel any lighter? Did you feel any, मतलब free का disco मिलता है Sunday morning को कोई पैसा खर्च नहीं कुछ नहीं. And one more thing I observed, whenever any, I don't know, I should tell or not, but जब भी कोई दारू का गाना आता है तो लोग पागल हो जाते हैं. मतलब they go to real zone actually, whenever any song come with the mango juice, I see people they start dancing. मतलब oh my god, मतलब एक mango juice नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ complete हो चुका है. मतलब disco मिल गया है, गाना ही मिल गया है, बस अभी नाचने का. But one thing I can't do it. But at least when you start listening that, how many of you believe that? मतलब I see a lot of people, they are sitting very आराम से. मतलब I think instead of played that Nachiye that Peg Padi some song he played. मतलब a lot of people start dancing that करके. Good. So good morning all. I'm sure you all are fully energetic on Sunday morning. Are you not? Good. I can see a lot of people sitting together without wearing the mask. Okay. So guys, please please maintain. Please, okay, don't contribute to the third wave. Okay. So to start, this is how it will start. The moment we start feeling nothing is there, and because of our negligence only, it will happen. So make sure that you all wear the mask and take the precautions, everything. Correct? Good. So I can see a lot of people again. The window is off the Zoom. Okay. So I was thinking, when the real PDT will happen, I think it's going to happen soon. By God's grace. What will you do that time? Will you wear the mask and come to the system, or what? Any plans are there? Anything like that? That the half the mask will come and why from we got the habit from the Zoom to switch off the video. Now I can't switch on the video, so I'm wearing the mask. Any ideas is there? The people who are not switch on the video. I can see a lot of people are not switch on the video. So you know that, right? Matlab, Zoom is coming with a new update, by the way. You know that? Zoom software is coming with a new update. Ki host can see through the camera. You switched off the video also. The host can see through the camera. So he can see it, what exactly you're doing the other side of the camera actually. Good update? Bad update? When people are switch on, they're telling, oh, super karke, but who switch on, who switched off, ki humko pata hai, itna bhi mat banao humko, they're telling to me. Correct? So good. Nice. So let's start Sunday morning. Are you ready? So what is the first thing we have to do? क्या करने का first thing? I'm sure you all know. Empty cup से पहले क्या करने का? Dance हो गया. Dance के बाद see, first of all, very important. Please carry a smile on your face, na. मतलब I know Sunday morning you lost your sleep, but at least don't show on the face. मतलब शक्ल में दिखता है कि ये Sunday morning का उठा के लेकर आएगा. ऐसा है कोई? So just can you give a broader smile to yourself and see yourself. Don't see anybody else. अगर लड़का है तो कोई अच्छी लड़की को देख लो. Okay, अगली उसको देख लो, smile दे दो at least. मतलब real में तो दे सकते, तो real में ऐसे ही दे दो. शायद कोई अच्छा लगे तुमको. Still people are अरे यार. So guys, give a smile at least, na, so that we can start a day. We can start a week, by the way. Just all of you show your teeth at least. I know you didn't brush today, but it's okay. You can show your teeth. So much innovation, few people are showing the teeth. Good. Few people show the teeth under the mask, by the way. Wow, super. Keep doing it. Okay. So first ritual is Harish, nice. हरीश तो मतलब काटने आ रहा है कैमरा को. हरीश बारनवाल. Ah, good, good, good. The first ritual will start with switching off your phones. Correct? So guys, I know it's a virtual this thing, but make sure that you switch off your phones, or might be put to but what if you're using your phone. Why I'm telling, because it happens so many times. If you're using your phone in for Zoom also, okay, suddenly some notification comes, you go there, some notification, something will come and suddenly you deviate. Okay, it's not about you might be listening it, but only because of the deviation or only because of disturbance of couple of seconds to get back again, you want some more time by the way. So please try to avoid the breaks in between. And one of the break is most important, your WhatsApp break or messages break. Okay. So business wise, all the uplines, all the downlines are the systems only. In the system only. So technically you're not gonna get any message from those people. Correct? Technically office is off today. So there is no message from the office also. Correct? Your spouse, your mom, dad would have been next to you only. So there is no message from them also. So whatever message you're gonna get now is waste of time. Man. Do you agree? It might be forward messages. It might be somebody sending a message to some group. It's just a. I don't think Sunday morning anybody send any important message to you. But next 1.5, just make sure that you avoid the messages. Deal. Switch off your phones if possible. Don't get disturbed by the phone. That's all I can tell you. Okay? The next ritual is the most important thing is something called empty the cup. Correct. Empty the cup is one of the biggest, strongest process, because this empty the cup will help us to next 1 hour to listen our speaker 100%. So I'm sure the new people who are very new into the business, they don't know about the empty the cup. Okay, but make sure that you follow somebody next to you, or might be only just follow my instruction. Okay, so I request you all. Okay, just you can stand wherever you are. Okay, and you can stand. You can stand. Matlab, I hope you have so much energy to stand at least. You did had a breakfast today, and once you stand, okay, and guys, one more thing, Infosys is continuously telling you to rename your name. Please rename your name and join. Okay, don't join with the different names. Okay, so just hold. Well, just imagine that you're holding an imaginary cup in your left hand. Okay, and just close your eyes and start pouring whatever negativity is coming in your head. Okay, it might be the last week, it might be week before that, it might be a negative article your prospect would have seen it and came and told you that business is not good, or might be update would have scolded you last week. You have showed so many plans but you didn't get sign-ups. You're about to get signed up, but suddenly the money didn't turn up. Family issues, corona issues. I'm sure a lot of things are there. Just take your time to remove all the negativity from your head. And just think in next 1 hour, nothing should come in between you and the speaker, by the way. And just allow your head to, extract maximum from the next session. And once you feel low, once you feel relaxed, and once you feel good, okay, just turn your cup upside down, and you can strap it actually. You can step it and you can kick it so that the Mother Earth can soak all the negativity, whatever you have. And just take your seat and just open your eyes closely. Slowly. So feeling good? Correct. So guys, ऐसा नहीं है कि Sunday when any CC comes and tell you to do it, we can do by yourself also. Are you getting it? Just imagine yourself that after some time I also become CC. So how should I talk? So I should talk like that. How many of you feel like that? Okay, Sunday morning maybe I'll speak like this. I will do like this. So keep doing to yourself. And trust me, one day it will come to reality, whether that you will become a CC and you are taking care of that. You will become a speaker also. It's gonna happen. Are you imagining yourself that one day you're gonna become speaker? By the way, somebody is edifying you. Correct. So keep doing it, and this empty cup, keep practicing. You never know when that day will come soon to you, and the sooner is better for you. By the way, correct. So good. So one good news, one bad news. What is the good news? The bad news. The bad news. I'm not a speaker, by the way. Okay. And the good news, we have someone very, very special to come and speak to you. So are you ready about him, to get to know about him? Okay. So this person is a person, he is senior than me, okay, much more senior than me. And I have seen this person first time when I came to my association. So I can tell when I came to my association first day one, he is the person who dropped me back to my near my house actually. Okay. So he was my first bound. I can tell this is the first person I spoke. And I used to ask him. He was a couple of months older than me in the business, and I just asked him one question. What do you think this business works? Because first day, right? It's a day one to association, and after day one, he's dropping me back to my house. And I asked him the question, what do you think the business works? He told, I also doing from 2 months. Let's see how it goes. And after 8 years, 7 years, we end up like this today. Can you believe? We were both were doubted about the business. We are not sure about the business. I was asking him whether it's work or not, and he's telling, let's see what happened. 2 months is over now. I hope everything goes well. That's what he told. And today, I'm talking about him after 7 years, and he's addressing the more than 2,000 people, by the way. Correct? And whenever I've seen him, he is one person, he was always focused on the work, by the way. Well, I can tell, I was chilling out with the team, I was going out and all, cross lines, this, that. But this person was always focused on so much on the work. This person used to come, show plans, and sit in association, go home. He used to come to association, sit, do show plan, and go. And that's the way, and that is the way, and that is the focus always he had to the business, and the business has reverted back exactly the way he put the hard work back. He is one of the fastest growing person in our team. Achievement you can talk about, but I just asked him, bro, can you tell me a few things about your corporate? Because I didn't know anything about his corporate. I remember the day one when I spoke to him, where you work, he told me on company name. Okay. And I still remember that company only because he has very small experience of corporate. Hardly four years experience he had. So he used to work company called Autos. Okay, he used to work company called Autos. He used to use the bike called Pulsar. Okay, he used to drive there. And once he started the business, within 1.5 years only, he picked a BMW for himself. Okay, he picked a BMW for himself, and he maxed out under 2 years in the business by then. Within 2 years, he maxed out, and I can tell you, one of the fastest growing person I can ever see in the business, he is the one. There is no achievement, there is no title, there is no drive, there is no camps, he is not qualified. If you take camp wise, he is an advanced ISB well. And below Shipra, there are very few people who are reached that level of advanced ISB. Are you getting it? You talk about the market, he has market everywhere. He has traveled to multiple, he has traveled to Pune, Hyderabad himself, Chennai and Dubai to build the teams, by the way. And this is a place he traveled, but there are so many places are there. Apart from this, actually, he has the teams. There is no city in the India where there is not a team, by the way. Are you getting it? So do you want to build massive? Do you want to build big? And do you want to build a rich, a millionaire? Do you want to build? And I can believe this is a person. He is a person can help you, and this is a person can make you understand how to make it big. Because whenever I speak to him, I'll tell you one thing guarantee is there. Okay, over the period of time, he has become so good buddy to me. We start sharing each and everything. Are you getting it? And whenever I talk to him, he just tell one thing, bro, business ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Kannada will speak, business we have to rock it. We have to make it big. We have to make it big. We have to make it big. Okay. So guys, let's not waste more time, and I just want you to just listen to him for next 1.5 hours, whatever time it takes. Okay. I'm telling you, I'm promising you, this 1 hour, something or other can change your business completely. So are you ready for him? Pakka? Do you really want to? By the way, one more thing, within 2 years he bought BMW. Okay, and then he changed his car to Jaguar SF. We call Jaguar. I think Jaguar Pace it is. I think hardly 1.5 years back only he's picked up that car. In the time of Corona, he has picked up that car by then. So when the entire world was thinking how to save the money, he spent the money, man. Good, very good. So how many of you want to upgrade within 5 years or 6 years from the one German car to one more, British car? How many of you want to do that? You want to do that? So he is a person to understand how he did it. So AV, can we play a video of him? guys, please help me to welcome Sanjeev to the Zoom and take our system so that we can rock.
Thank you so much, CC. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. First of all, it's yeah, it feels actually good, hearing such good things from your buddy. And so most of you, I mean, you don't know, but I think he has said this. So we are good friends, CC and me. So when your good friends, talks about you, you keep, you feel like keep listening, है ना? Yes or no? अच्छा लगता है ना कभी अपना दोस्त इतना अच्छा बात कर रहा है अपने बारे में. I said, wow. I was about to tell CC और एक घंटा ऐसे ही बात करते रहो. Let me see. Right. Okay, thank you so much, CC, for the nice introduction. Right, so let me go through all the screens. Let me get the hang of it. Okay, guys, I'm a little nervous today because got to know that I'm taking a system. Okay, everyone are okay with English, Hindi? Yeah. So I'll be more on English and Hindi, right? So I was telling you guys that I was a little nervous, yesterday when my working upline AV Pingraj called me and he said, "No, you are taking system." I was nervous. It's like, kya baat karunga, what do I talk? But on the other side, I was also excited. A chance mil raha hai yaar to talk to so many people. This is what I wanted in life, right? I mean, when I started my journey, I wanted to talk to people. I mean, share my journey and all. Tell me, how many of you want to, become a speaker, address to your teams, 1,000, 2,000, share your stories, that ups and downs. Yeah. You know what my upline always kept on telling me initial days, Sanjeev, 4 crore banana hai business se, so you'll have to talk. You'll have to share. You'll have to come on stage and talk. So how many of you are prepared? How many of you are dreaming of it? One fine day I will talk to so many people. Yeah. It happens, huh? Secret works. The law of attraction works. Right. So, guys, show me some expression. Matlab, when I'm talking, thumbs up and all. Okay. So I see some people are very excited. Okay, some people no reaction. Yeah, maybe judging. कोई बात नहीं, हमने भी कुछ ऐसे ही किया था starting में, but no use. Right? Okay, good. So let me talk, about my journey first. I don't know how many of you know my journey. Everyone knows my journey. So you can say yes or no. No. Okay, let me go through screen. No. Completely no. Okay, so you want to know my journey? Right, so I signed up in 2013. It was, I think, July. Right, so that point of a time, I like most of you working in corporate, even I was working in corporate, and I was, thinking ki, those days, it was office home. I was looking out for an opportunity. Yeah, so opportunity came in my life in 2013, right? But before that, so let me share my background and all, from where I'm coming and all that. Right, so I come from a very simple middle class family, right? So dad is a traditional businessman, right? So I have a roots from a place called Sirsi, which is in Karnataka. It's a coastal belt nearby Gokarna, Om Beach. You all will know, most of you people will know about Om Beach. Yeah, right. So I come from that side, right? But I did my schooling in Bombay, now Amchi, Mumbai, right? And when I was doing my schooling and all, middle class family, so my father used to always tell me. In fact, parents used to tell me, mom and dad, you become a doctor, engineer, lawyer. You know why? Because if you become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, you get a social status. This is the story back in 90s. तो अभी कोई engineer के बारे में बात नहीं करता. ठीक है, they don't talk about the engineer and the lawyer, maybe doctor maybe, but engineer lawyer तो ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करते. But those days, back in 90s, they used to say कि you become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, मतलब सोसाइटी में बहुत नाम बहुत है लेकिन पैसा नहीं है. If I see today, how many of you had this sort of upbringing where your parents have told or maybe family members have told you have to become a doctor, you have to become an engineer, or you have to become a lawyer? अच्छा, बाकी लोग को फुल फ्रीडम था क्या? सही है यार, वेरी गुड, नाइस. Like in my case, there was no freedom. I was just told, okay, listen, you have to become an engineer, right? So I was not that studious also. I mean, I was not that great. I was an average student. So as I said, I mean, I did my schooling in Mumbai. So I did my schooling over there, and I came to Bangalore, right? So we didn't have much money, or my family cannot afford private college and all that. So I was told, like, you study hard, you get a good CET rank, common entrance test, so that you can get in a good government college where you can, your fees is not that much. I said, okay, fine. So that's how, I landed up in Bangalore, and I studied from a college called UVC, right? So it was a very good engineering college, right? Good for placements. The best part about the placements were, if you're 60% and if you know okay English, so your campus placement is done. So I was placed in college. So I was like, okay, I was very happy at that point of time because I was placed in 2 companies at that point of time, and my seniors used to tell me, if you get placed in a campus recruitment, your life is settled. You get a job. This is my first job, right? So they used to say, okay, you get a job, your life is settled. How many of you had that experience? कि बोला गया कि college में अगर job मिल गई या पहला job, your life is settled. So I was told like this. I was thinking, okay, fine, life is settled. Okay, fine, right? Look, life is settled in the sense like whatever dreams I have, I can achieve it. That is what my understanding was, right? But after the college, that was a different ball game, right? So first 5 days of the month was very happy, salary was there, but next 5 days I didn't know where the salary is going. So by 10th, that happy face which was there on first, by 10th it was become sad, tension, worries and all that. You get a message on your phone, SMS, right? Ting, 20,000 40,000 credited, right? The moment that message comes, and you are like working on your desk, right? You're working, right? And the message comes and you say, oh, thank God I survived for a month. I had that feeling. See guys, I'm not that professional speaker and all. I'm just going to talk what has been my experience. And you can take, the inputs from that. Is that okay? I'm going to talk whatever has actually helped me. And these are all real-time things. Right? There's no copy-paste. It's all real-time things. This is how I was, before the journey and how I became, during the journey and all. Right? So, that message comes. आज भी आता है ना message? Message comes or not on the phone. So if you're working, if you have a salary, the message comes on 30th. Ping, 30,000 credited, 50,000 credited. Like, okay, happy. So, but by 10th, मतलब पैसे कहाँ जा रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आया, right? And I was staying in Bangalore. Bangalore is a very expensive place, by the way. So I used to, and I was a bachelor at that point of time, back in 2011, 12. So I was thinking, so what to do? Thinking of jumping the companies, right? So I had already, switched 1 or 2 companies at that point of time. People said, no, you switch the company, you'll get hike. How much hike? You get some 30% hike, 40% hike. But how long you can keep switching the companies? That was also a question. That's all new environment. So you jump to one company to other company. But the purpose is not served. I was thinking, okay, financially I should be very sound. So let's say I go to a mall, while doing a shopping, I should not see my, how much money I have, whether it fits in my budget and all that, right? So I was very clear on that. So I want to be, financially very sound. right? So I was looking at, क्या कर सकते हैं, right? So, Saturday, Sunday was off for me. So what I used to do is, I used to think, yeah, something I will do on Saturday, Sunday, make it very productive, right? And this is before the business, right? And I used to go and take, interviews. So there's a place called in Bangalore, there's a training institute called Q Spider. So I used to go over there and I used to take trainings in the sense, classes, or maybe, I used to, let's say, I used to take interviews over there. And how much I used to get paid? 500. The whole day work 500. कुछ लोग समझ रहे इसको 50,000 या 5,000 मिल रहा है, नहीं, 500. Like full day you work and you have 500. Okay, and it's like, okay, fine, but I was not working out. So I've seen those hard days, tough days where making money was not so easy. Trust me, making money is not so easy in life if you go outside, right? It was quite tough. I said, what to do. So I was seeking for that opportunity. Yeah, I was like looking out for that opportunity and desperately. And I used to feel, my friends and all, corporate and all software engineers and all, those days full boom, IT boom. किसको देखो बोल रहा मैं US जा रहा हूँ, मैं UK जा रहा हूँ. I also went to on-site from my company. You know what my on-site was? Going to Bombay on a Friday, early morning flight, 7 o'clock, and coming back on the same day in the evening. Because Monday they told you have to work. So that was an on-site for me. Yeah. So I used to feel, what, like, come on, I see my friends and all going to France. Somebody is going to US. They're putting nice pictures on Facebook and all. मैं उनको देख के खुश हो जाता था कभी-कभी. क्या नसीब है यार, what, किस्मत, right? How many of you had that feeling? Gosh, I also had got that on-site and I would make a lot of money and come back and all, right? But later I got to know the on-site story and all. That is a different story, on-site story. I was thinking, and what do people do to check what is happening in the world? They check into login. They log into Facebook, right? So I used to see the Facebook, and those days, no, we didn't add Insta and WhatsApp and all. We had only Facebook. So that point of like everyone busy on the Facebook, right? So I also busy on Facebook to checking where my friends have landed, what they are doing, this and. So one fine day, I think it was Saturday in the evening, I saw my referrer on Facebook. Yeah, he was senior to me 1 year, and he has also studied from the same college. Now, me and him, we didn't share a great rapport and relationship. So I have spoken to him only twice in my college. I was a placement coordinator in my college. I had seen my placements very closely. So he had got placed in Cognizant. You say CTS, no? Any from Cognizant? Maybe some of you. So he was placed in Cognizant, and one day he came to that placement office. It was back in 2009 to inquire when is the joining date. But the poor chap, didn't know that there was a recession. So all the companies were either stopping that offer letters or they're delaying the joining dates, right? This is back in 2008-9 time, right? So I told him, I also don't have any idea. So this is one time I spoke to him, and maybe in the college fest. That's it. There's only 2 interaction I had with him. The third interaction I had with him was on Facebook. So I messaged him on Facebook on Messenger. She had put his picture, by the way. It looked like a Vivek Oberoi picture. So I was very excited. Nice, yeah, will change, yeah. I messaged him. Hey, Macha, what's up? So he said, I'm good. So where are you these days? So I said, I'm in Bangalore. And he said, that's how we connected. And he was working with a very good company called General Motors, and was drawing a good salary also. So we exchanged the number. And on a Tuesday, I think at 11:30, 12 o'clock, he gave me a call. gave me a call, asked, "Hi, how are you? What's happening and all." And he gave me a perfect info. You have this 5+3 script, right? Use karte ho, nahi karte ho? Use it, right? Let me see the screens. Huh? So whatever possible. Acha. So he had given me the perfect info. That I got to know later. It was an info call. जब मैं बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, मैंने जब बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, मैं पता चला, अच्छा यही डायलॉग्स बोला था ना इसने. अरे बाप रे. हाँ, आई हैव टाइड अप विद द हांगकांग मलेशियन बेस्ड कंपनी. अभी थोड़ा स्क्रिप्ट चेंज हो गया है, बट देन दोस टाइम्स इट वाज लाइक हांगकांग मलेशियन बेस्ड कंपनी एंड ऑल दैट. सो यही चीज बोला था ना उसने. हाँ, अरे करेक्ट. दिस इज व्हाट ही हैज टोल्ड. ओके फाइन. तो he had given me info and I thought he's in some mechanical design, some Singapore design company, something. ऐसा लगा मेरे को. And then he gave an invite. And he gave me invite and he said, "You have to come and meet my senior." He said, I told him that, "Come on, yeah, I will not come and meet your senior. Ask your senior to come to Forum Mall, no? It's a nice place. We can hang out over there and all." Right? And he said, no. He maintained the posture. And he said, no, you have to come over there. So where? CCD Square, Vittal Malia Road. One of the most posh area in Bangalore. Yeah, Vittal Malia Road. Right. So I said, okay, fine. First I thought, okay, in the call itself I told him, bro, if it is the damn way, if it is something about selling the product, it is about something, network marketing and all, please don't call me. I've seen enough of this. In college, that white shirt, black pant, they used to come and they used to tell, come to seminar and all that. So I've seen it. So before the semester, my friends all were enrolled in that, but after semester, no one was there. So please don't call me if it is that 7,000, that CDs and all that. He said, no, bro, you come and see, you will like it. I said, see, I've already seen the damn way plan and all that, products and all. I said, no, you come. Now, I also told him repeatedly, network marketing I will not do. I've seen, they catch people and all that. So, now, imagine, why am I sharing this story is, in most of the cases wherein you approach, right? You give info call to the prospect, right? Correct or not? In my case, I got in touch with my referrer. And then he didn't contacted me. I contacted him. Because there's a gap, good 4-5 years of gap. I haven't spoken to him. The people tell, no, my only that cold prospect cannot, I cannot sign up. I have, little, problem to talk to the new, let's say people who are, had a gap of 4-5 years and all. So I was a person that I contacted him. As I said before, I was looking out for opportunity, seeking for something, right? And that was also seeking for me, right? And it came in that way. So here, the referrer has not approached the prospect. The IR. The IR has approached. So I had to approach literally. So I approached him and he had set up a meeting. So I went to Vittal Malia Road. So 5 o'clock was a meeting. I was there by 4 o'clock. I don't want to be late, full punctual and all that, right? So 4 o'clock, I went there, yeah, and he made me wait for 1 hour. I said, ऐसा क्या meeting है यार? Like they cannot accommodate. I am so well before time and all. So he said, okay. But one exciting thing was, okay, I'm going to CCD Square. Like how many of us used to go to CCDR before the business? Yeah, I can understand if you have a girlfriend, then banta hai 100 rupees ka coffee and all. But otherwise, it is on bakery only, no? 10 rupees ka chai or coffee. Come on, yaar. Hai ki nahi? How many of you agree with this? I said, I was happy. CCD Square ja raha hu. Promotion ho gaya hai. Right? So I went there. And I stepped in and he said like, okay, come sit. My senior is little busy and all that. Like, okay, fine. Like the environment is created in such a way, yeah, I thought, okay, this is something very big. And I said, okay, fine. So he was like kind enough to offer me a coffee. Wow, that CCD Square ka coffee. You don't have it every day, na? Sab jhaag sab nikalta hai na upar. I said, oh, nice. So I had that coffee and all. And the best part about that, CCD Square, Vittal Malia Road, is that you see all your dream cars. You see Audis, BMWs, all that, all the luxury cars. So if you, happen to go, in the normal scenario, normal days, and or maybe in the past you would have seen that place and all. It's a very posh area. Okay, so you see all that, I mean, all that cars moving out in UB City Mall, right? So nearby, so you see that area is very good. So I used to see from the glass till that senior came. I used to see all this. So my mindset was slowly. I was just going through that. Okay, yeah, superb car. One day I should have. One day I should have. I said, okay, fine. So that senior came, and he had edified the senior, and he showed me the plan, and now said, okay. Again, in the plan also, I told him, if it is network marketing, it is, I will not do this and all that. He's already seen the plan of that. They sell toothpaste, shampoo, and all. He said, nothing of such. You listen to the plan. So I heard the entire plan. The best part about the plan, I didn't understand anything. I only understood one thing. You can make 9.25 lakh per week. That was most exciting part. Company, Hong Kong, Malaysia, then travel. Travel to that holiday scene though, it was not there only. During my childhood days, holiday though, I used to go to my granny's place. Yeah. In Kannada we say Ajji Mane hote. Yeah. So holiday and all that, वो सब साइड में रखो, कितना बनता है यार. So that is the only thing, So I said, okay, then so 9.25 lakh. So I was thinking, if I make half of the amount also, no, that is great. Because in the corporate, I have never seen anybody having that sort of a package. Maximum 10, 12, 14, 15. People who were working around me on a senior level managers. And I said, superb, yaar. If hafte ka itna banta hai, to why not? Yeah? Right? Then, plan happened. So, there was a guy from Accenture who came and showed me the financials. Hey, by the way, how many of you understood the plan and all? Full complete plan, समझ गया. तो नहीं समझा तो ऐसा करो ना. So I always say that you must be a genius to understand that plan on a first go, right? Okay, so I understood only one thing, 9.25 lakh. Then they showed me financials. One on the left, one on the right. Then normally what happens? Same attack. I said, 2, 3, 4 and all. Achha, ye to looks similar to that model, pyramid model and all. But I was thinking, अगर इससे 9.25 lakh बनता है, तो why not? If I can solve my problems in life, why not? If I can give a good life to my mom and dad, why not? Right? कौन पूछ रहा है यार? कहाँ 2 है, कहाँ 4 है? मेरे ऑफिस में यूनिक्स प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करता, किसको पता है यार? कौन देख रहा है वो काला स्क्रीन? किसको पता है कमांड? Who's seeing that Java language? कितना लूप है? या who's doing that testing, that bugs? and किसको पता है मैं जीरा यूज कर रहा हूँ या क्या यूज कर रहा हूँ, सेलेनियम यूज कर रहा हूँ, QTP यूज कर रहा हूँ, किसको पता है? घर पे पता है, बाजू वालों को पता है. How does it matter? Only thing will matter if I take a nice luxury car and keep it at home, right? Outside, parked at home. People will see, acha, sahi hai yaar. Super. As long as I'm doing things in legal and ethical way. That's like, that's mandatory, right? But I trusted my friend because I knew that he will do whatever it is legal, ethical. This was my college senior, right? You guys can hear me? Okay. Suddenly the power off, so I was just thinking, okay, chalo, good. So now, the point here is कि जब they showed me, I said, okay, fine, यार, जो भी है कर लेंगे. I told my friend, you will have to support me. I said, okay. And then I said, okay. I met everybody in that association, and I said, like, I asked my upline those days. It's my working upline story. It doesn't really works? Question mark. How Sunil asked me, bro, does it really works on the bike? Okay, when I was riding in the night, 10:30, he's sitting at the back, he's asking me, bro, does it really works? आज देखो उसको बिल्डिंग खरीद लिया उसने, उस पे नाम भी लिख दिया S, right? Things really works, right? So at that point of time, no one knew about it. We took a leap of faith. oh, you talk in welcome also, a leap of faith. So said trusted somebody and like let's do this. You know, ज़्यादा क्या होगा यार, 2.5 lakhs ही है ना, ठीक है, तो प्रोडक्ट भी तो मिला है, right? Let me take a chance, yeah. What happens? Let me take a chance. So I was like bindas attitude ना, that fearless attitude, that really helped. You know, सोचा नहीं कि क्या होगा, मतलब just went with a positive frame of mind. And after the plan, I was going home, and suddenly the thought came, how did I say yes to 2.5 lakhs and all that? So I spoke to my referrer, and my referrer told me, Acha, listen, you don't worry of anything. You know, take this money from me if you don't success. If you don't get success from the business, but provided you work here for 4 years. I said it's a good deal. If I work for 4 years and if it does not work, that he will give me my money and all that. But you know what? I actually recovered my money within 3 months. Within 3 months, right? So I went home, and one good thing he told me is that don't talk to your friends after the plan. Don't talk to your friends. Thank God I didn't talk to my roommates. If I had spoken, no, they would have brainwashed. Right? So I said, okay, I will not talk to my friends. So on a Monday I went to office. In the first thing I did in the office, Google. First thing, Google kiya. How many of you did Google? Hey, I also did the Google. And then all that negative thing came. Full Wikipedia पढ़ रहा था. Okay, nice, all that negative stuff. And so I called my referee. So I didn't. I was like, okay. I mean, I wanted to understand what's the reality. ये कुछ बोल रहा है, इधर कुछ है. Reality जानना है. So reality क्या है यार? What is the truth? So I called him up. I said, bro, I checked the Google and all. You said some story, nice story, but यहाँ पे तो कुछ अलग ही है. So he said, no, listen, I'll send you some links. You go through that links and then we will talk. Okay. And those days we didn't have that PPT. Like today we have like PPT version 5 and all of that credibility and all. You all have, right? We didn't have that those days. Credibility or links only. So, and they used to not show in the plan, by the way. They used to not show in the plan. Credibility and all that. So I said, okay, fine. So I went to the links and all. So I was okay with that because my friend was there and trusted him. I said, makes sense, yaar. Matlab, itna kuch credibility hai, so why to focus on some negative? And by the way, Wikipedia, that it's like me and you can go and edit and write a lot of things there. It's not a government body, right? So itna to common sense tha, right? So I said, okay, fine. So that's how I got signed up, by the way. The interesting part is that my referrer never approached me. I approached my referrer. And then, my referrer had already spent 6 months in the business. And the most interesting part, my name was not in his name list. Could you imagine? Now you see Sunil talking about, okay, he's, ISB, advanced ISB. But imagine the day, he has not written my name only, my referrer has not written my name only. And if I had not approached him, probably I won't be there. I wouldn't be talking to you guys if I had not approached you. The first lesson is, or the learning is, talk. You never know, where the chances are there. To keep talking, right? That day I approached without even thinking that what he will think. Right? Though I didn't know about the business, though I don't know about what was happening, I was quite open. I wanted to understand what he's doing. And when his uplines asked him, because 6 months time, he had no signups. When I signed up, just a week before, he got one sign up, and then I was his sign up. His uplines asked him, why didn't you write his name, in your name list? You know what the answer was? I thought Sanjeev will not do network marketing. Sanjeev will not do network marketing, but he was always open to make money. Right? वैसे तो IT इंडस्ट्री के बारे में भी मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था यार. I didn't know what transaction or what turnovers they make here. I just knew that I work and I get my salary. Now IT level में, the higher level, what happens? NASSCOM में क्या होता है मुझे क्या पता है? Right? So I was very clear on that. Obviously, later I got to know the data about the direct selling industry and all that. I was fully convinced. Thanks to the trainings and all which I attended, I was like, and there's a module called the first module, one of the events which I attended, B2B, why not network marketing. I was like fully convinced. I was like, super, this is super industry, and I was 100% convinced. And obviously, the events and all that helped me out, but before that, right? So make sure you approach everybody. Right? The first lesson, right? You thinking that person will not do the business, वही बंदा business करता है. And you thinking he is my chuddy buddy, he is my best friend, he will do. Well, actually, your friend नहीं करता है normally. How many of you had this experience? I had this experience. I saw, my all roommates, when I tell them the plan and all that, they will all do. किसी ने भी नहीं किया. But it's not that I spoiled relationship with them. And today also we had a very good rapport and relationship, right? So this business is all about building relationship. So this is what I understand from day one. So keep building the relationship. Even if the person says no initially, maybe there are chances he will come back someday and sign up with you. And there are people whom I showed the plan. Initially they said no, but later they saw I was growing and then they signed up. So keep the window, keep the door always open. Right? So always be open, right? The first thing. Now, so I got signed up. I was like, okay, good, right? So life is chalo, nice now. I was actually, the reason why I signed up, obviously I want to make money. I wanted to lead a good lifestyle and all. But before that, my office was in Whitefield. So I used to travel from Indiranagar. So there's a place, if people who are from Bangalore, or if you stayed in Bangalore, you will know. So you have to, cross through a world war if you're traveling from Indiranagar to Whitefield. So there's a place called Tin Factory. How many of you know this place? It's fantastic. You go in the morning 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock also will remain the same place. So that is the specialty of this place. I don't know how it is today, but those days it was like, oh my God. I used to see people having breakfast in their cabs only, in their cars only. And I was very scared. And I used to ask this question, should I lead this life? Or maybe I might lead this life if I continue doing what I'm doing. Yeah, so I was like worried. So every day I was to go through it. Every day I was going through the pain. Now these days you're not going through that pain, right, guys? But instead of working 9 to 6, you're working 9 to 8, correct? The hours are extended, right? But those it was traveling 2 hours, 2 hours of one side traveling, another 2 hours, 4 hours. There's nothing against the corporate, but then, you know what? I used to feel that, okay, how many years I will do this? How many years I will do it? There's always a question mark. And okay, fine. So I got the opportunity. Yeah? So every day I used to go through that World War III, tin factory traffic and all. I used to go and, tell myself one day I will be out of this rat race. One day I will be out of this rat race. That mantra I used to always say. So I used to go to office, 8:30 login, and then till 6:37 I used to work. And after that I used to go to association, everyday association. It was like doing it religiously. Everyday association, non-stop. No excuses. So there was a days when on Fridays, I used to go to association and no one was there in association. So I used to sit and do my calls. My upline was sitting at his home with the team, right? People who had closing, and he was doing purchases. So I used to call him. I used to ask him, where are you, bro? I am there in association. He said, listen, Sanjay, today I'll not be able to come to association, but you know what, I'm busy with purchases now. You continue with your calling activity. So every day I used to come to association. Hook or crook, I used to come to association. So that was really, that was clear. Why I used to come to association, right? Because outside, no one used to understand my dreams. No one used to, care for my dreams. And the association was only one place where I used to get that positive energy, where I used to feel like, okay, this is a place I can achieve it. Because everyone was positive, talking about your dreams, talking about, German cars or buying watch or, going abroad, right? You see outside, people won't understand. Maybe people make fun. That's normal. Make fun of your dreams. I remember I had a wallpaper on my desktop. There's a German car, German beauty. And I used to see that, law of attraction. So the first, that book, no, the video, Secrets. So I followed it. I just implemented it. So my manager used to come and laugh at me. It's like he used to make fun of me. He said, "Kya ye kar lene wale hai?" Wow, super, very good. Because he knew my package, no. I was rich. I had 25,000 per month coming on 30th of the month. So I was very rich. So that's why he used to make fun of me. But exactly 1.5 years in the business, I bought a BMW 3 Series. The most interesting part, I didn't know how to drive. See, I told you guys, I come from a middle class family. My parents, I mean, my dad didn't have a scooter or a car, nothing. So in Bombay, when he used to stay, he used to travel in the local train. He used to go to CST, now it was VT that point, Victoria Terminus. So me in Bombay. So we had an office in Bombay. So he used to travel over there. And he used to travel by bus and all. So no one had any, car or bike or something. The first car in my house is a German car. The interesting part is I don't know how to drive. And my upline used to make fun out of it. The problem was my relatives had a car, but then they used to hesitate to give me the car. Kyun? Gutter mein dal diya to isne. You will find the relatives, no? Like they will not be, they will not allow you to touch. Right? You just a minute German car li to everyone wants to, one round. So I was like, I used to think like how things change, right? So anyway, so going back to the initial days, right? So I like, okay, fine. So I knew, okay, this is something is gonna happen. So if I stay in the business, stay in the journey, it will definitely click. So I was going through association and all that, right? So was coming to association every day was it easy for me? No, it was not easy. So why? Because someday they used to give me work for 7 days, till 7, till 8, till 9, at times 10 o'clock. So when they used to give me work till 8, 8:30, so I used to finish off my work and I still used to come to association at 9:30 and do my calling hours, half an hour, 1 hour, religiously. I should never complain to my upline. Bro, I didn't come to association because I had a lot of work in my office. Obviously, company will give you work because they're paying you salary, no? So you cannot complain about it. But what solution are you working? I had a solution. That was my business. I said, इस पे मैंने काम कर दिया ना for the next 1 year, 6 months to 1 year, religiously. Okay? So definitely I will get the output. So I was dedicated with that. ठीक है. The thought was never to balance the job and the business. आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि balance कर रहे सब. Balance, मतलब the thought was not there. My thought was very clear. I will work on this business. I will build a system-centric income, wherein I will put an effort, initially, and then I can get my system in place, right? So that system keeps me paying. So that thought process was very clear in the mind. And for that, I need to put a lot of hard work. So I was ready mentally. And I told my parents also, please don't ask me to come to hometown for a good 6 to 8 months and all. Don't even ask me. Forget I coming to festivals, I will not come to festival and all that. So 6 to 8 months time I'd given myself, and I was very focused on that. Exactly 6 to 8 months time, I put down my papers also. You see, fire your boss. Hey, you guys are understanding now what I'm saying? Hey, bouncer to nahi ja raha hai na? Bumrah ka bouncer. So 6 to 8 months time it took me to become a full-time, right? So one fine day, AVP Shipra called me, and my upline was there, and first of all I want to thank AVP Shipra, AVP Neeraj, because they guided me like anything, good times, bad times, tough times, everything. Because I'm over here because of because of my upline. I'm over here because of my uplines. And those days, today you see them, okay, coming on video call. But we were very lucky. I was very lucky to interact with her, right? And she called me and said, listen, you have to put down your papers. I said, okay, fine. इसी का तो wait कर रहा था मैं. This is what I was waiting. कि कोई मुझे बता दे करके. I like, okay, so I put down my papers. 8 months in the business, quit my job. How many of you want to do that? Let me see the other screen. अच्छा सब लोग है ना? अच्छा good. Right. So the key over here, don't balance. Focus on the business in such a way that, right, it gets you results. And if you want results from the business, right, so you'll have to be dedicated and focused about the business. I was quite focused. I was very clear. Kya chahiye? What I want from this journey, right? But initial stage, no, this 0 to 6 months time, no, this little, tricky period. People leave the business in this. Most of the people, right? And people who sustain the business, they come to a good, let's say, good level, good mindset. That 0 to 6 months was very crucial. So I was doing business. I did some DRs also. I made money also. My upline tells me in 3 months in business, hey, okay, you have to go to Dubai. I said, why should I go to Dubai? I just put the money now for the business and all. I made little money from the business. He said, no, you have to go to Dubai. I said, why? He said, there is a Revicon Dubai. I said, Revicon Dubai? Okay, he said, you have to go and experience it. Right? So I had my passport. The challenge was money. Dubai to jana hai, lekin paisa nahi hai. So I said, okay. Because for my, my sign up, I had taken loan from the bank. It was almost getting rejected because they told me that your company is in category B. I said, okay, category B, वो क्या होता है? So, loan मिलेगा कि नहीं? Somehow I did jugaad and got the loan. Right? Now second was now going to Dubai. So I didn't had money, what to do. So I borrowed, money from my mom. So I called up my mom. I told, Mom, I have to go to Dubai, but I don't have money. So can you give me a little money? So she pledged her gold. She gave me the money. Because I was very serious about this business. I said, karna hi hai. And mom's so sweet. So they're like, okay, karna hai, fine, no problem. They're always the blessings. Even if you go and talk to them today, said, Mama, what do you want? They'll say, you be happy, we'll be fine. You talk to your parents. They always say this. So nice, right? Right. So I like, okay, fine. So my mom pledged the gold, and then I got the money. I went to Dubai. Now there's a turning point in my journey. I was 3 months in the business. I went to Dubai. Right. So before that, I used to come to association. I used to see 2-3 people. I said, okay, aisa hi hota hai business. Okay, fine. But that relief level, that acceptance, and that marriage with QNet has not happened till that point of a time. The acceptance was not there. Right. Most of the people have problem initially with the acceptance only. So I was like acceptance problem. So I went to this event, right, and I saw VP Dev. Those days he was not VP, he was AVP. Dev Advani. The first day there was like I think 3-day event. There were around 2,000 people. 3,000 people. Indians were only 300 people. 300, 400. Baki sab Kazakhstan, Armenia, Russia, Germany, like superb. Yeah, now you go to Vicon and all, you will find 70% Indians only. So those I said like, yeah, people from so many countries, are doing the business from Germany, These are the places my friends used to go, for on-site. Those people are only coming and doing business over here. Wow, superb. So I should do this business. So I said, okay, fine. So that was a turning point. And VP Dev, that was I think second day, afternoon he took one module, and he asked this question. It's a beautiful question. Are you ready to die? I said, I am not ready to die. What have I done to my parents? What have I done to my family? Have I done anything? That's a question mark. Now I'm going to ask you the same question today. Are you ready to die? Have we achieved enough in life? Yeah. बहुत सारा properties किया है क्या? Made so much money. Then if not the case, then you should do the business. And I was like, I had 100% acceptance after that day कि नहीं करना है business. This is like the question actually shook me. Trust me. Till that point of time, I said, okay, fine, kar rahe business karne do and all that, right? Itna focus nahi tha. I was not focused, right? But that day, was like changed completely. And I was like, okay, this is how it is. So let me change. And I was 100% acceptance was there. And I came to Bangalore and started doing business, right? Now people say this, I don't have money, you know, let's say सबके लिए पैसा चाहिए, you know, it is can be your, maybe you might be saying this, or maybe your prospect might say, but let me tell you, it's never the money issue. The issue is your decision. If the person makes decision, no, he can arrange the fund. अब मुझे बताओ, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू जेब में 2 लाख या 3 लाख लेके आए थे प्लान देखने के लिए? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू? I want to see the screen. I want to see that special person. I mean, anybody? नहीं, अच्छा मस्त तुम लोग ठेंगा, मतलब ये वाला उल्टा ठेंगा सही दिखा. Good, good, good. I like that. ना उल्टा ठेंगा. So understand, no one had money. We arranged. Right? We all arranged, right? So the problem is not about money. Problem is the decision. If the person takes decision, he will arrange somehow. Itna yaar, so many options are there today: loan, credit card, PF, and all that, right? So I had an option to, let's say, to borrow, let's say, a gold loan, and from my mom. And trust me, after that, I kept on gifting her gold. Now, I put on my Facebook also, right? So you write a dream list, no? In the dream, okay, fine, gifting gold to your mom, like that. You write or not? Or maybe your wife, your loved ones, right? So I had written that. So I had that one dream tick from the business. After coming to, after coming from VCon, and I was doing business, I was good, making money, and I gifted my mom. So the point is, remember always, it's a decision. It's not the money, right? And people say, no, I don't have money. Money not having in your account is is the biggest reason to do the business. Money not having in your account is the biggest reason to do this business. You getting my point? So remember, guys, money is not an issue. It's always been the decision. The person is able to take a decision, or you able to take a decision, right? Any point of your journey, right? So that makes a difference. So I had taken a decision. Kuch bhi ho jaye yaar, I will do this business. I'll give myself 4 years of time, right? And let's see how it goes and all. Because outsider, no, right? People try a lot of things, and we see, stories which are little disappointing and all that, right? Kisne startup open kiya, nahi chala and all that negativity outside surrounds and all. But this was an environment always everybody encouraged me. My uplines encouraged me, like, okay bro, let's do it. Okay, rejection mila to bhi fir bhi hai na, is to tell me ki nahi hoga. And after coming back from that event, no. So my challenge was never about the plan and all. You know what our challenge was? In fact, people who started that point of a time and all, our challenge was we were not getting the present. I remember this place called CCD Lounge in Brigade Road. Now it is not, CCD Lounge. I think some Nissan showroom has come. Renault showroom has come. So the first floor was for our team, right? So AVP, shipper and down, everyone used to show the plan. So our challenge was presenter. We were not getting the presenter, right? So because I used to show 4 plans in a day. 4 plans, non-stop. Karte raho. And there are people used to compete. अगर उसने 4 दिखाया तो मैं 5 दिखाऊंगा, उसने 3 दिखाया तो मैं 4 दिखाऊंगा. The problem was never the plans. कभी भी अपना ने पुश नहीं किया plans के लिए. It was coming very naturally. यार करना है तो करना है यार. It's like you getting married. How many of you got married? Men in the house in the house got married. So when you're putting a Mangal Sutra to your wife, do you think shadi karo nahi karo, or you directly put Mangal Sutra? You put no. If you have a doubt, then that girl will never marry you. Correct? Yes or no? People who are married. कुछ लोग सोच रहे शायद डिसीजन चेंज करना चाहिए था उस टाइम पे and all that. नहीं, अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अभी हो गया. Right? So it's like that. Once you take that decision, karna hai to karna hai non-stop. So there was no push from the upline. Oh, plan dikhao yaar. 1 plan, 2 plan, nothing. Like we were like mad. Business karne mein thoda na, you have to become mad. Yeda banna padta hai. And you have to become mad. In that Bombay language, you talk, say, heda banna padta. You become mad, yeah. You go all out. So there was never a challenge. You know what? That first floor, that CCD lounge ka first floor, was literally a fish market on a Saturday and a Sunday. We didn't have place to show plans, right? And people didn't have time. I mean, place to stand also. And let me tell you, each of the fish was making hefty money over there. Right? So that is how that beginning, that 2013-14, I saw how things changed completely. Because we're so focused about our activities, right? Focused, right? I mean, those days also here and there issues used to happen, this, that, and all used to happen. But we were focused. We were like, okay, counseling the upline. Okay, if the rejections were happening, we used to counsel the upline. कि क्या करना है, क्या changes करना पड़ता है, right? So every plan was like it was kind of new learnings. So every plan was an improvement. Step by step. So I started showing plan, 1 plan, 2 plan, 3 plan, 4 plan. So like that, kept on showing plan and help my team people also. As an upline, I was like helping my team people to show plan and giving them the guidance. We used to have association, we used to have calling us and all. And we were very excited. Ajkal excitement काफी missing hai. As I saw your CC telling, have smile. Some of people how they react, as in they lost the World Cup final. Sad. Come on, yeah, you have an opportunity, yeah. Sub free mein hai, muft. Sunday somebody is coming and sharing you the journey, yeah. You have vessels, right? Technical training's been given. You have an upline who's helping you out. Outside you go for a coaching, they charge you. You know that? You do any course, they will charge you. Right? Everything is free, yeah. The only thing is your focus is there or not. Have you taken the decision? Plus that focus is there or not. Because a lot of things going to come in the journey. I also had a lot of things coming in my journey. Right? So this is how things slowly, okay, plans were consistently plans, full duplication. Everyone showing plans. So upline never came and told us, yeah, okay, you have to show plan and all that. Nothing of such. It was we were self-driven, and today also self-driven. Karna hai to karna hai, 100%. You know what? One more thing I want to add is that we were very clear with the goals what we want. I was very clear with the goals what I want, right? So I used to attend a training, and there was one training I attended. The first training, I think that was organization structure, roadmap, and all. So they spoke about the roadmap. You all know roadmap, right? In the vessel. So they talk about the LS, LDC, CTC camp and all. So I attended that vessel. Okay, so I attended that vessel, and they told that, okay, 3 months time you have to qualify for LS. Then 6 months time you have to qualify for LDC. Then CTC, ISB and all. So, things were very clear. Okay, let's say I do my 7 years, okay, and have a system count of 10 working. I will go for that camp. So this is very clear. And apart from this, nothing was there. The goal was given, and it was very focused. I taken that as my goal, and I was very focused on that. So no changing the direction. Yes, obviously I wanted to make money, but if I see that criteria for LS, it said that you should be making money. I said, okay, yeah, money that everything is covered. I want team also, which is there in that criteria, and I want to make money also. So that is also, let's say, covered over that. So I was very clear. So here and there was no कि दूसरा कुछ करना है करके. It is very clear. I have to achieve this. The question is, are you very clear what you want to achieve? Are you very focused? So I had that goal to achieve. So that was like step by step. LS, LDC, CTC. Was it very easy? Was it very smooth? Not at all. And there are people who are very, blessed. 10 plans, 12 plans, they get some 70 years. Those days, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. I should plan 22 plans, one by one. Everything rejection only. So I was not that blessed. You see some people, they show plan, tuck, sign up there. Okay. I was not that lucky. I was not that, fortunate. I was like, okay, one plan, two plan, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15. So one by one rejection. You understand, no? The confidence actually goes down normally, right? You know I used to do? It's like, okay, fine, I understand this is business. Every business will go through that rejection and all that sign up. So let me be very smart. I should talk to my upline. I should counsel. I should say what better I can do, right? What improvement I can do, in terms of knowledge, in terms of, let's say, my skill, upgrading my skill. So what has to be done, right? So all that. So that's how we used to do the mocks and all that, right? So continuously improving yourself. Now this, whatever I'm saying, it's on the ground level, right? So whatever I did, so I used to improve, every time, in terms of my calls, in terms of, let's say, in terms of communication also, right? So communication with the upline, or talking to people. So that was the improvement. So as I said, initially I went through a rejection of 22. Yeah. So I had one to sign. Now after that I went through rejection, and you need 7 years to qualify for LS. So I didn't qualify for LS initially, right? So LS came and went. Then there was a camp called LDC that also came and went. So initially I didn't qualify for the camps, but after 22 plans, I got a sign up. Divya Deepak, maybe I think their team people are there here only. Yeah, so they got signed. They both, husband and wife, got signed up. I showed the plan, so wife was okay, but husband was saying, no, this is like, in the plan. Before coming to the plan also, like, this is network marketing. I'm sure he's doing network marketing, this, that, and all that, right? A lot of people don't know what is network marketing. They don't know the data about it, don't know what is direct selling industry, right? For that, we have to show them the plan and give the information. Baba, tum jo soch rahe ho, that is not the thing. Because this is what my referrer did, and he gave me the real picture. So I showed them the real picture of it. They signed up. And, after that, I kept on improving myself, kept on working on those camps, qualifying for the LS, LDC, CTC 1, 2, 3, ISB, advanced ISB. So here the learning is what exactly you want from the business. What is your goal? And that focus has to be there. The next camp, whenever it comes, to make sure that you qualify before it has been even announced. But if you're not doing it, it's like you don't know what you're doing here. Trust me. The focus is not there. So if you're not qualified today for LS, right, go and check the criteria. What are the criteria are there? Keep and work towards it. And one more thing, one more catch. There are people, after going to LS or LDC, they think, okay, I've arrived, ho gaya mera. It's not like that, guys. You have to keep doing your DRs. Keep doing your DRs. Right? So that has to be your focus. So it's just like keep doing it. It becomes better and better. It becomes better and better. It is as simple as that, guys. So you're just thinking about, okay, I want to achieve. In the process, you're going to make a lot of money. Trust me. In the process, you're going to make a lot of money. In the process, you're going to achieve a lot of dreams. Right? You're talking about dreams. You will have a lot of dreams. You have a dream list. But the question is, are you seeing your dream list or not every day? Do you see your dream list? नहीं तो कपाट में रखी हुई है वो, somewhere near the, maybe in the drawer you have kept. Do you see your dreams or not, guys, every day? No. You have to see your dreams, because that only will give you the power to work even more harder. Yeah. Right. So, so journey has been never a cakewalk, right? It is, full of surprises, challenges, and all that. But what kept me going is, after, let's say, today I'm advanced ISB, there are a lot of things that I have to achieve in the journey, and I'm very focused. That's why I'm working. Similarly, you will have a lot of things to achieve in your journey, and my journey, your journey will be completely different, guys. Right? It will not be same. It will be, it will be not be similar. It will be change. There will be some changes. So the point is, keep doing it. It will become better. Keep doing it. Becomes better. Now, I know in some teams there are drives going, right? Anniversary drive, right? Yes or no? Infinity Anniversary Drive. Yeah, you get a chance. You go to Dubai, you meet the uplines and all that. How many of you are excited? Yeah. So some teams let me tell you, some teams they have drives going on that. All right. So I think 1 week over for that anniversary drive. So another 3 weeks are there. Wow, such an exciting thing. Yeah. So 3 weeks still you have good, right? So I don't know how you guys are taking these drives and all. Trust me, I should take it very positively. I mean, even today the same thing is there because somewhere I'll just share you this. So there's one drive. It happened back in 2017. So every year this used to happen, but now because of pandemic, it's not there. It's like it's kind of on the hold. So uh, there's a drive which happened Elite Club in 2017. Okay, so Elite Club, and it is for the entire Infinite. Okay, entire Infinite, all teams. Right. So there are certain criteria. You have to achieve certain criteria, do DRs, and you come for that drive, right? And you qualify for the drive and be there for the celebration. So we had this 2017 Elite Club. So excuse me, guys. So I had this dream to go abroad and all that, right? So I've written going to Europe, and that was there. How many of you want to go to Europe? See that, Switzerland and all that places, yeah, France, Eiffel Tower and all that. Yeah? So everyone wants to go over there. So I had written in my dream list, okay, even I have to go over there. I qualified for this drive, guys. I qualified for this drive, and I went there with my uplines. And you can see this map. You see this map? So what I have done is the places where I have gone there in Europe. It can be France, Italy, Dubrovnik, then Greece, yeah, Croatia. So all the places wherever I've gone. So apart from this, I've gone to Malaysia, Singapore, and all. So all these places wherever I've gone. Say if you focus on the Europe part, right? So I've collected those magnets. You go over there, they have gifts and all that stored right near the airports and also collected and kept it on that. You can see this. Now, thanks to QNet, thanks to this business, thanks to my appliances, thanks to the team, I was able to achieve this because I qualified for the drive. See, in this business now, I've exhausted 2 of my passport. One normal passport, second was a jumbo passport. I'm into my 3rd passport. Imagine, I was a person back in 2013 thinking, okay, my friend went to US for on-site. He went to UK for on-site. And here I am with this. So I'm not boasting about myself, but I'm telling you what in journey you can achieve. You see Chief, no? You would see Chief in the, I think, Insta Sunday. So he has this, I think a refrigerator, a fridge. So you see all that, magnets been stuck. So I got inspired from that. Business is duplication, right? You duplicate right things, by the way, right? So that's what I did at my home. So interior designer, this is what I want here. And I didn't know, but by the way, when that thing was like when we were, getting this house done and all that. So one fine day I will do a system, thanks to, whatever the situation may be, right? So every situation has a positive things and a negative things. So the positive things will be, I'm showing, my room over here and all this, right? Probably in the physical system it was not possible, right? So this is the reason you have to qualify for the drive. So this is how once you qualify for the drive, people will start noticing you. Your prospects will start noticing you, and people who had said no also will come back. Right. So guys, make sure that you qualify for the drive. Take a decision. It will happen. Take a strong decision. It will happen. So if you are not taking that decision, right, it will not happen. So if the first week is dull, then second week will continue. But if you decide today, I want to change, it will happen. and do whatever possible. The first thing is coming to association. I know at times it becomes difficult for some other thing, but take a decision. Take those baby steps. Initially when I started my journey, okay, coming to association was not that much. Okay, the acceptance level was not that. I used to come, but not that 100%, right? Not with that happiness, right? But then slowly when I accepted the business, I started coming to the association every day. I accepted that environment, right? So for you also, guys, I know it's not so easy, but take those baby steps. Now start coming to association regularly. When you come to association, counsel with your upline, right? Not so easy, I know, but still you have to keep doing it, because you have decided that you have started the journey, and you will take all your dreams. Correct or not? Yes or no? For that you require an upline. You require a mentor or coach to guide you through this journey. And if you don't have the coach or that mentor or that upline, then I think it's a big task, because I'm not anybody successful in the business without an upline. Thanks to my upline, Neeraj, I'm over here guiding me, each and every phase, ups and downs. The last 2 years has not been so that great, yeah. So it has been ups and downs, but doing it no matter what, right? So journey is all about these ups and downs, right? So you make sure that you have an upline, right? You go and communicate with the upline, and it's a baby step. Again, it's an improvement. You have to change, AV. I think you should be ready with the video, okay? AV in service. So every day the changes has to be there. One day, let's say you make 5 calls, the other day you make 7 calls. Next, keep doing it better. Once you start doing, you will feel better. You will be very confident of doing it, right? At any point you get stuck with anything, make sure you counsel with your upline. This is what I did, guys, and I'm sharing you right away whatever I have gone through. There's nothing from outside. So I used to ask my upline. Any kirkir also, no, dimag mein, any question I used to ask my upline. Right? I should not fear कि वो मेरे को चिल्लाएंगे करके and all that. I should say it's okay यार. At least दिमाग में वो कचरा तो नहीं रहेगा ना. Right? When you are clear from here, no, let's say okay, fine, you can actually give your best and work. Right? Avi, do we have the video?
Yes, right. Yeah.
So we'll watch a video. So I think it's taking some time. So every time, no, I saw there's an improvement. And if you are thinking, okay, let's see the video.
And life is actually achieved when we start achieving the important things. The one thing that you can do and can do better right now is to work on yourself. The simple rule is called the 1% rule. The 1% rule simply goes like this. If you can be 1% better today than you were yesterday, your entire life starts to change. Just 1%. I'm not talking about 30% or 10%. 1%. So you must be able to judge what you were achieving yesterday and work on being better by 1% today. Now, if you can work on being better by 1% today, cumulatively, you will go up 37 times. You will improve 37 times within a period of a month. Such is the power of just improving 1% a day. Now, 1% is a very small margin, but you need to be 1% better physically, 1% better mentally, 1% better in communications, 1% better in every skill that you have. Whatever the problem is, recognize that the solution lies within you somewhere. But in order to find that solution, you're going to have to work with others. Every person in your life brings a different challenge, when they come in touch with you. But you need that person. You need that challenge to work on yourself. Because the ultimate goal is here, right here. You're working on yourself, nowhere else. So you're working on yourself. You are the ultimate goal of every problem out there. The problem is around us. The obstacles are around us. But the solution is always within us. But effort is always yours. And you have to continue to put the best effort possible. Because you can achieve. You must achieve. You must believe in yourself, and you must believe that it is possible. You must believe that you are here in order to achieve. And therefore, you need to push yourself to the point where sometimes you need to break. And if you are breaking, so mend yourself up again.
So how was the video, guys? Dattosri, our founder, is talking about the change. That is 1% change. And this is what I did in my journey. So every day it was an improvement. Every day, that focus, to get back to the focus, what I want to achieve in the journey. So the camps, we're qualifying for the camps, qualifying for the drives, right? Whatever possible it takes, to achieve it. So, I used to work constantly, right? And it's okay to put hard work. It is okay to put this effort, because outside also, if you see any entrepreneur or somebody who started his, venture and all, everybody goes through this. There the story is different. There's no mentor, no one to, push them and all. They have heavy competitions out there, outside and all, right? Startups and all that. But here, everything is in your favor. You have people who are ready to guide you, who are ready to, support you, push you, help you out. So everything is in your favor. So making it is not that tough. And I feel that if I can make it, I think anybody can make it. If I can survive, though I have not achieved everything and all, I would have achieved little 0.1% or something. So many things I have to achieve, right? So I'm constantly working on myself. Yes, there are challenges. Yes, there are challenges. Yeah. So we had this pandemic, COVID, all that, right? But keep pushing yourself. Bring that improvement. Let's say if you're getting, you're not getting that sign up, ask your upline. Improve your skills, right? Check constantly, right? Don't simply, you get rejection. Don't simply sit at home and hear Jagjit Singh song with Pankaj Udas song and all that, and go to coma moment. Ask, because there are players if I talk about Virat Kohli, another top player, easily one of the best batsmen of this era. So when they get out or they don't score, what they do? They go and do net practice. You all know that, right? They do net practice. They practice. It's the same thing with Cristiano Ronaldo as well. When they don't achieve things on field, they go back to the nets and go back to their fields and practice. So this is something a quality with all this sports person, all these people who are big achievers in life. They go back and practice. They go back and it's non-stop because they're very focused. We need to understand we are a different breed. ठीक है वो ऐसा वाला नहीं है हम लोग कि अच्छा listen I will work for 40 years and then I will get some money, some 25 lakhs during my retirement. With 25 lakhs I'll be happy. Are we such breed? 25 lakhs में क्या होने वाला है? 20 lakhs में क्या होने वाला है? 18 लाख की तो इनोवा मिलती है, बाकी का 3 लाख पेट्रोल डीजल में जाएगा. The way the petrol prices are going up. You understand? So you're gonna you need something which is infinite. And this business can give you that. Right? Simple, you build a system, right? Work on it, build a system with right value and ethics. And I always tell this, with right value and ethics, right? We don't use people to build the business. We use business to build people. You would have heard this before also. Right? So one of the commandments of VP Dev. Yeah. So keep building yourself. Keep showing that improvement. Right? If you improve, right, you can one day come and share your journey. I was a person who could not talk to my colleague at one point. Today I'm talking to 1,000 people, 1,000 plus people. This is improvement. So just in case if you're thinking it is all about doing DRs, yes, of course it's all about doing DRs. But in this process, guys, you will be building yourself also. You will be building yourself also. Otherwise, how is it possible I'm talking to 2,000 people? I worked on myself, right? And we don't give any special training out there, right? What did I do? I went to system, attended system, made a pointers. So I carry this, let's say the diary and made the pointers, went through those pointers. I did my sharing also, right? They say 2 sharing and 1 decision. So I worked on that. Simple. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स चीजें नहीं समझ में आती, सिंपल चीजें समझ में आती है. I implement those simple things. While doing a simple things you can actually achieve. Right? As Dato said, keep improving yourself, and I kept on improving myself. And still, it is in process. Okay, it's in process. Right? So the message is stay focused and keep improving yourself. And life is fantastic. Trust me, life is very good. Right? You have an opportunity. Right? You are an upline. Everything is there with you. Things are there in your favor. So do it now. Don't wait. I will do it tomorrow. मैं कल करूँगा. मैं परसों करूँगी. Don't do that. करना है तो आज करना है. Right? I wish we could have this, trainings every day. Right? Because on a Monday morning, I don't know what happens. The decision, the action goes somewhere in the air. Right? So the challenge, the next challenge would be how you're gonna, you're gonna focus on your goals on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's gonna be a challenge. How do you overcome that? So what I used to do is whatever decision I've written, I just constantly focus on that. It's not like in the office I'll work good continuously, but whenever I used to get time and all, I used to call my upline, I used to talk to him. So I'm very clear what I'm supposed to do in a day. Loan follow-ups, lining up plans, talking to the prospect, everything. Today you are in full josh, yeah? You're very happy, chalo, we got the new learning. The real challenge will come from Monday morning. Okay? So stay focused. I also had the same thing, that's what I'm sharing with you. As I said, I'm going to talk anything out over here which is real. And I had this challenge on a Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. By the time, Friday came, acha, week to khatam ho raha hai. So stay focused what you want to achieve in the week, right? And this is your journey, so you will have to fight it out. You will get all the guidance. Because if you able to do that one fine day, you will be able to come and talk and address so many people, right? So I think that's it from my end. So I've been talking from past 1.5 hours, right? So I hope I've given my best and you've got the learnings. Yeah, so make sure you implement your learnings, right? And all the best for the journey, guys, right? Have a smile always. Don't become too serious. थोड़ा thumbs up दिखाओ, थोड़ा smile दिखाओ. Trust me, everything is in your favor today. Right? No restrictions, you don't have to take any permissions also. Right? No lockdown for you. You can do it from sitting at home. You can have markets anywhere. So, everything is in your favor, guys. Everything is in your favor. So make most of it, right? So qualify for the drive, qualify for the camp, right? Yeah. And talk to your upline, right? Share your goals, right? And tell him I want to achieve at any cost. Give me a roadmap. I will work on it. I will achieve it. Be passionate about it. Okay? Right. So thank you so much, guys, for hearing me out and being so patient listening to me from past 1.5 hours. Right? So, chalo, take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sanjeev. You know, matlab, whenever we talk about somebody, we always talk about big things. The way he achieved things, the way he has become, the cars, the bungalow, the apartments. But when they come and tell when they explain actually what a journey, the journey is nothing but a small steps only, man. Correct? So, the way he explained association, everything, that makes so much sense. So I hope, guys, you would have got to achieve something big. The small steps are very important. So don't stop taking a small steps. Correct? So guys, one more observation, a lot of people has been, switched off the video. So I just spoke to my uplines and we have decided that going forward, I requested you to, fix this time. 9:30 to 12:30 dedicated to the system. Is it okay? Because if you're not able to dedicate, please not required to come also. Okay, so if you're coming, we have to make sure that video is on. So video is off. I'll request insist to the to remove it. So are you okay with it? So 9:30 to 12:30 dedicatedly for your business for growth. Okay. So wish you all the best, guys. Let's meet and let's rock this week. Thank you very much.